Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reyon from Reyon Gameplayz here, and today, welcome to a new mod showcase, and that is about, if you could not guess it, it is it is a space mod. So we're going to be traveling around the whole of the galaxies. So this time we're going to be having a lot of fun. So this is gonna have to show you some stuff. So first is we need to make do something right now. First is we have to make an infinite water source. Water. First we need to make is this an infinite water source, because obviously we need infinite water. Then we need to go here. So now first is this. I'll show you, because this is the main things is required for a wait for 1 second. Need support block actually. Need support block actually. We need sponge right now because I think I messed up a bit. Yeah. This thing is that the weather here is a bit cold, so like we can do this. This. WATR. Haha. Now we need a support block. So like I think that was use sponge. So like let's see. Like now we need to create an infinite water source. Actually, 1, 2, and now we need to add a solar panel here. So this is gonna start pulling water up. We need to keep the oxygen loader right here. And now we need to part this area here, a bit here, and probably we can go on the back also, so that we can have, so this thing gets enough light. I have to make this day also, otherwise this is a solar thing, that's why. So this is the oxygen we are having. So oh yeah, I have to show you something, because my solar energy panels will not get that much of a time, like nah, no. Uh-huh. Look at the energy generation. So, wait. This is charging. So basically, what you do with the oxygen is you go to the, once you get your this space suit, you can actually do this. You can actually smith. Yeah. So you take a normal space suit and you add a smithing, and you get this. Now, obviously, so this is how it goes. So like once you have enough oxygen in your thing, this you can easily get by. Then you can add this to the here, and it will actually start building up oxygen. Like if I show you, so this should be what you're supposed to get in actual practice. So if I just put this in here, yeah. See, this oxygen has started to load in. See. So now, okay, now we have to suit up, because obviously we have to. Now let's see. This is fuel, so you have to take the fuel. You have to take oil, and then you put this in here. This is almost the same thing. And you get this fuel. Now the rockets are here. So this is the tier 1 rocket. So this is made up of all compressed steel and rocket fins, and that is also you have to use NASA workbench, for which I have put up the crafting recipe right here. So compressed steel on all 4 corners, steel in the middle, 2 levels, crafting table, and redstone torch, just like this, and you'll get a NASA workbench. Next is the water pump, which I'll cover right now. Steel on the top, like almost, then compressed plates on either side, bucket in the middle, and hopper, oxygen loader, furnace, oxygen tank, then iron ingots in all four corners, iron plates on as a triangle above the furnace. Solar panel, lapis lazuli, glass, steel, and iron plates and redstone. That is obviously you can just do that. Then a coal generator, you need a furnace, iron like this like this, and all that. Then oxygen bubble distributor, you need engine fan and oxygen loader, and you get this. This is how I covered. Next, basics. Right. Oxygen tank is red wool, iron plate, this and that. Then after that, now an hammer. So iron and nuggets here like that. You can make sticks like this. Hey, you can make it with using bamboo. This is nice. Huh. This is the booster tank, which is obviously used in some of the rockets. So let's start with tier 1. So tier 1 is like this, compressed in the middle and all like that. Tier 2 requires compressed dash with a dash engine and buckets on either side. Tier 3 needs Ostrom and Ostrom tanks. This is for the tier 3 rocket, which I covered in that for Ostrom. And this is the rocket which you're going to be using for, obviously, because it's the best one. Calorite. It's actually the best, I think, to now. Now, obviously, we're going to go in here, delete everything, and put on this armor. We're going to take our weapon of choice because, obviously, there are aliens in this mod. Let's see. I think an axe and a bow should do it. Yeah, an axe and a bow. A bow. This should do it. So these are all the plates which is needed. Like so, iron plate, hammer, and iron plate. So I think you get the idea. Ice shards. You can't get that. I think. Raw dash that you can get from dash block. Raw stone, raw calorite, nuggets also the same type. Now we're gonna place our rocket because obviously gonna have to go here to the obviously gonna go to the moon right now. So let's see whether our oxygen in this thing is ready. It's still taking a lot of time. Place it down. Now we are gonna have to press this. I think nah. It's the keyboard I think is space, but I changed it to Alt K because of my own betterment. Mission control, I'll see you next time. Now this is gonna go a bit up until I go leave. So this is Minecraft space you're gonna reach to. So first you're gonna go is to Mars and probably defeating Elon Musk there, and then you're gonna go to the moon and all the planets because especially Venus because there is some boards there we have to cover. So let's go to the solar. First we go to Mars and we create a I'll first cover the planet and I'll do the space station part. Wait. Now we have to go a bit. So now look at this. Okay, stop. We have to slow down. It will explode into billion pieces. Mars and stop. Wait. Mars is full of ice. Don't say we landed in the South Pole. And plus, I have F5 back. So if I do this, you have to get the rocket, which is obviously have zero fuel. The anti-gravity is totally destroyed. There is the moon, Earth. Where is the sun? Wait, that's the Earth. So where we landed is probably this. Yeah. This is what you call a Martian raptor. It's like a total weird mob. I would like. Let's see. It's a hostile mob because obviously look at the face. Anybody would think it's a hostile mob, and it drops rotten flesh just like a normal zombie. This is Martian sand, which is. Wait, I forgot to check the rover. I forgot to show you the rover crafting recipe E. So this is wheels on this furnace. Like, it uses everything. Okay, I don't know why. Let's see. Okay, if we're just using a chest, yeah. Look at that. There's fuel. We can add that, and then there's all these things. Wait. So like, it's actually they didn't make it that resilient because you can literally hear footsteps. I think they need to fix their thing. Now, obviously, if you have to, now I have to go back to the rocket. Now I have to show you the space station also because like how to make that also. So let's actually show you at Venus because that's actually a thing. And take off. Next stop is his next stop is Moon, and we're gonna have to colonize Mars also. Next stop is either Moon or we have to go to we are also go to Mercury right now. I think best option is to eat that. Okay, then we have to go to Proxima Centauri also. First we go to Mercury beneath, let's see, is it like 3.7 meters per second, 1.3 the gravity of Earth. We can either orbit it or we can either go for a actual space. Let's go for the planet itself. What volcanic? This I mean, um, this magma slimes and this thing is gonna wait. How did this work even? Wow. If anybody wanted a nether, this is actually proper for them. This is a total nightmare. Boing, wait. If I do a critical hit. Oh, LOL. Look at the anti-gravity here. This is 1/3 of Earth's gravity, by the way, and it's literal. Okay, it's good for helping you jump long distances, except 9.8 meters per second square. Like here, let's see. Look at this. Even that, let's see. See, they say that you can't make a 5-block jump, right? I'll now prove it. Let's do it. Yeah. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-block, right? Now look at this. See, I did a 5-block jump, okay? I did it. You saw it with your own eyes, okay? Okay, look at this here. 1, 2, 3. Wait, is that what jump only? Okay, I'll prove it. Now, see? I literally did a full 5-block jump. Let's try 6 blocks. 6-block jump, actually. Okay, 6-block jump is not possible on the. It's not possible on Mercury, but is it gonna be possible on the planet which you're supposed to go now? Like, it's not gonna be Mars. It's gonna be obviously like a planet like we like. I don't know. Let's go to the Venus. No, Moon first, then Venus. Okay, Venus. We can establish a nice space station there so that we can colonize it. Three, two, one. Mercury is a total blast furnace. But actually, the moon is going to be the next, and then 1.62 meter per second square. That is literally the normal. That's 1/6 the speed of a. That's 1/6. Actually, I'll show you if I don't slow down. Actually, I don't want to kill myself also. Stop. F3, F3, F5. So this is a alien zombie. So it's like it's a hostile mob and it will attack you till death. Now, obviously, I was thinking of why don't we try a 5 block jump actually? Moon 7. Actually, I tried a 5 block jump on Mercury and it literally worked. Because especially with 1.6 of the Earth, with 1/6, like 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because that's okay. Now this is a total gap of 6. Yeah, what? I think we have to do a bit like this. Let's see. Let's try. 6 block jump. Oh, okay. Wait, even on this planet, it's not possible. What? I think it's not possible to 6 block jump in this mod. There is the moon. There is Earth. Because look at it. It's flat. Obviously not flat. It's flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, Venus. Because we're gonna go for a. First, we're gonna put the space station. Okay. First, can show the space station because then, if we just fall into the moon, if we can, then we can just fall in because it's not that hard. We're gonna explore around. I'm gonna crash land into Earth, probably. Hopefully, we land at the same place where I launched the rocket because it's much more better there. Especially when I can just give a sample of moon rock. Venus and space station. So you see these things, right? The dash ingot, steel iron, and the mesh. These are things. Yeah, these are things are the items required by you to make the space station. So unless you have them, it will show. It will. So in survival you need them, but otherwise you can just do it in creative. But nobody wants to do it creative. It's just a moderate what I'm doing. You have to slow down, otherwise this is gonna blast the hole in the space station. So. And then we're gonna orbit a planet like Earth. Like slowly but surely we should see our thing, but we have to slow down, otherwise our thing will explode and this is a space station. We can't let it explode. But slowly but surely, yeah, we can't go less than slow. Slow and steady wins the race right now. It's slow, slow, slow. Landed. So we landed on the. We landed here, so this is where we have it, and then like go in here. You can just like find out. Actually, there is a thing here. Like, you can go down here and then like this is like full down, and this is where we can actually. This is like the observation deck. Like I'm gonna make like I want to extend this area so that it's actually better. And then we can actually wait. Shift right click and then we can take this out. And then like we're gonna actually go out here. We can actually go out. So this is the iron block plating. So this is like iron plates, but we can just add a bit. So I'm gonna add like a layer here so I can actually launch a rocket from here if I want to. So I'm actually gonna do that. So I can actually launch a rocket here. So we're gonna launch a rocket back from Earth here. So that's why. Actually, let's see. No, no. Okay, at least I fell into the Venus's gravity pull. Okay, that should be good enough. I mean, had I died if I. So this is around Earth's gravity is 8.7 meter per second square. Acceleration due to gravity here, so it's like around Earth's gravity, but not Earth's gravity. Is like 1 meter per second square lower. So technically, it feels like proper like Earth, just not the. It's obviously hot because Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Yeah, to show you things also. If I could, only if there was a. Let's see if I could. This is a spectator like. Chaos and all, like the chaos I have to show because like there are a few things, a few words in this in Venus. Like I think it's better to show. Best option, just show it in the surface because I can't find it that hard. It's when we have to show creative mode. Yeah, I forgot how to colonize also. Forgot. Beyond Earth material. So this is Venus diamond ore, gold ore, coal ore, and Mercury iron ore, Mars ice shadow, Ostrom ore, glacier coal ore, and this is on the next planet actually. So this is the diamond, gold, and coal. So these are the things you can find here. So like, actually need to. Let's try if we can try and figure out. Can we let this? So this. We can get fuel back. See how much fuel do we have. Fuel. Okay. See? So we need fuel and then it will fuel. So this is 33%. That's kind of get high. Come on, it's 33% fuel. Isn't all that enough? Is that not enough? 1, 2. Since I filled 33, which means if you do the maths right, which I always do, this should give it this another 6. This should be another. Yeah, so that's how you fuel. Wow. RK again because we finally got a rocket full of fuel. I'm gonna actually drop this down. It's 3, 2, 1, F5. Mercury is done. Next is Glacier, and you're gonna orbit that because hey, is that Earth right there? Yeah, that's Earth. are gonna have to leave this gravitational and then we are gonna have to go to glacier. So based on the name, obviously it's frozen. Frozen, yeah, frozen. Glacier, you need tier 4 rocket for this. So like, yeah, orbit. Let's try. Let's what like if you orbit, what do we do? What's the case for orbiting? Orbiting, like they're gonna crash. That okay. They're going way fast. Let's slow down. Actually, we're not gonna slow down. If you don't stop in time, I think you saw what happened, right? Literally, the whole ground has just explodes around you and permafrost. And there is actually one more thing I show you, right? I show you, just wait. Actually, there should be powdered snow somewhere. Let's try. Um, I think we should come across it if we just walk. Probably sprinting is a better option. Let's see. See? I told you, we found powder snow. Just so down. Okay, so that's frozen. And I could have died of frost. Can we put a launch pad here? Like, can we just put a launch pad? Like, general, like. So that should actually that's not it. We have to still go ahead. I still have to show you a few things about this kind of this planet. We have to actually put a flag here because this is a new country. Not a country, it's a planet. So here in Glacier there is a permafrost stone which you should see at least. So there is gonna be an ice shadow, a coal ore, copper ore, iron ore, and lapis lazuli ore. So erect a flag here. All hail the mighty Steve because that's great. Gonna do that. Alt K. Nice. Exactly. Is that Proxima Centauri? Yeah, this place that should Proxima Centauri, and technically that should be like a star from us. This is 3.4-ish light years away from Earth. This is actually the Proxima Centauri. This is the same system as in Proxima b, and that is a planet, and that is actually a planet. Let's see whether this lands us properly where we should be. Like, yeah, there is the mission control. Wait, can we move it? No. Mission control is right there. Mission control, and landed. Let's put the rocket from you. Tier 4. So, I also showed you how to fuel your own rocket, and Obviously, I think that this should have been filled, right? Yeah, it's not yet filled, even though I waited for 5, even though this is so long. Actually, how much is this actually? I'm using a rover, which is supposed to be, so that uses fuel. Oh, just wait, if I show, like, if I take off this and like grab an oxygen, this one sec. Let's see, how much is this oxygen one? 90% oxygen on the, LOL. I broke my keyboard. Mission control, I think this is a successful mission, plus we also colonized the planet. And you know what, let's colonize one more planet before Elon Musk does. Come on, game of survival, let's do this. We're gonna orbit, we're gonna make a space station right on Earth. Bye bye, game. I need to get stashed with you. That's you. Yep, Earth, they're gonna make a space station. I forgot about that. Let's go. Let's orbit Earth. I'm probably going to die, so we slash slow, slow. Okay, and that is what we call a successful mission, guys. So, guys, if you'd like to see more reviews like this, so please like and subscribe to the channel. So, bye, guys. See you in the next video.